Hey, first grade, we're going to do early birds number 3 this time. So let me share my screen again like normal. There we go. So this is what you should have. Day 3. Okay, and this has got even more things that we haven't done yet. I think one of these things we have, but most of them we have not done yet. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll do black pen. There we go. All right. So this first picture is a picture of a bag. We did see that picture yesterday, but this time we have the B and the G sound, but we're missing something in the middle. What are we missing? The ah sound. What makes that ah sound? A. Ooh, goodness, that writing. All right. So that becomes B, A, G. Okay, what is this a picture of? A van. Okay, where we have the V and the N. We're missing the A again. We're missing the A. And this is a picture of an axe. Axe. All right. So then we have the word fast again. We had this the first day, and they usually repeat this word for a little bit. It is an adjective, meaning it's a description word, and something fast moves quickly. That's what that word means. Draw something fast. What can we draw? We can draw, oh, this is gonna be interesting. My pen's kind of blurry. Oh. Okay. There we go. There's a person running fast. All right. Next part is a sentence. And they haven't done one like this yet either, but they have started off with a capital letter. Again, that's important. And this sentence says, I can blank. I can what? What can you do? I want you to fill in that part with what you can do. I can put, I can, well, why my pen is blurry. I can run. And then after you fill in the word here, you just trace over the sentence like normal. I can, and then I'm going to add that word in that I did. Run. Okay. And then I'm going to bring my period over here just so I get practice again. I can run. All right. Coloring the sight words down here. What sight word is this right here? That is he. He. So let's see. We need to color he. What color? Red. So I was going to get my pen red. Okay, wherever we see he down here, we're going to color over it. If I was doing my crayon, I would try to color really nicely. But I don't have a crayon. Trying to stay inside the lines. Okay. How many he's did we find? We found 2. All right, the next word, what is this word? Is, and we need to color it yellow. So I'm gonna get my yellow pen, and wherever I see is, there's 1 and 2. My contacts are dry. All right, 2 is. Okay, next word is 4. 4, and we color it blue. Okay, wherever we see the word 4. 4. 2 4s, 2. Okay, got that. Then we have the word the, and we need to color it green. Change my pen to green. So the, let's see. One, two, there's more of those. We got 3. Okay. And then the last word, you, we're gonna color orange. And this looks like a burnt orange kind of on here, but it's an orange. It works as long as it's close. There we go. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do, it says, can you write your spelling words in the little square? Or can you make them all fit? Try it twice. So how we do on this one is we take these words that were over here. Now my pen covered it up, but if you're coloring in crayon, you can see through. We take these words over here and we write them each in the box, one time on each side. For the you. And then we do it again. He is for the you. All right. I know I write fast. It's going to give you a little bit of time to finish that yourself, or you could pause the video. Okay, now it says to, down here, just to count the shapes. Okay, number of squares. We worked with a square the other day, and we know that it has 4 sides and 4 corners. So, let's see, 1, 2, 3, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a square. 1, 2, 3, nope. 1, 2, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a square. So how many squares do I have? I have 2. There we go, so we're gonna put the number 2 there. And then number of triangles. Well, there's only 2 different types of shapes here. So this is definitely a triangle, and it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 triangles. Sometimes it's hard to fit these numbers in here, but we can do it the best way we can. Okay, and then they want you to tell me the total number of shapes. So if I turn this into a addition sentence or a plus sentence, we would say 2 plus 3 gives me what? What's 2 plus 3? We could count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'd write 5 on this line because that's the total number, and then I'd write 5 to finish the addition sentence too. Okay, we did do this part the other day. That's the one thing we did do already. So this number word is I've. 5. We don't hear that E. We'll learn about this pattern later on this year. 5. Does the first, the second, or the third apple have 5? The middle apple, the second apple. So we're going to draw a line. Okay, and then this says Z, O. 0. This is 0. Which one doesn't have any? The last one. And so this must be the word, there's 2 seeds here, so this must be the number 2. 2. Okay, we also have a clock right here. The little hand tells the hour. So this is the little hand right here. This is the little hand, it's shorter. It is called the hour hand. So then they want you to trace over this on my screen. This is gonna be crazy because I gotta write really tiny, but it'll work. It's the hour hand. And then it says color the hour hand what? What is that? Red. So let me get my red pen again. And I color the hour hand red. So this little hand is red. It's pointing to the hour. What hour is it pointing to? 8. So it's actually 8 o'clock on that clock. Okay, that's all we needed to do for this. I'm gonna take this off. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.